Okay, for your last little example, if you needed some assistance on this, the first thing I asked you to do is write and solve an equation. So you had to use the values or the expressions outside the circle, meaning the sum of 360. But you got x to 50. All right, so then we're just plugging it in. So just plugging it in for each expression, and we're just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna probably end up writing it black. So since I know 50, 50 there, um, this becomes 75, and then we have 35 over here, and then our BC would be 150. Okay, so plug it in, and then now we can get into our angle measurements. Since angle A is an exterior angle, that means we have to take half of the difference of the arcs. So half of 150 minus, because we subtract when it's on the outside, minus the 50. So we get 50. Angle ABC is an inscribed angle. So we take half of the intercepted arc. That's the arc adding the basically from B going to the left. So B all the way to C. So adding the 50, 35, 75, and 50. So that's going to be half of 210, I think. And then we should get 105. All right, so then angle FHE. FHE is an interior angle, so now we're doing half of the sum of the intercepted arc, so that would be half of the 35 and the 50, which we get a decimal here, which was 42.5. And angle, measure angle BCA. BCA is an inscribed angle, so it's half the intercepted arc, which is the 50. So we have that as 25. And the measure angle GBC. GBC is also an inscribed angle. Vertex is on the circle, so it's half of the intercepted arc, which is a 150. So we have 75. And then the measure of angle CFD, inscribed angle again, half the intercepted arc, that was the other 50, which is 25. So you got to use your rules, recognize what type of angle you're dealing with. Keys to write that equation, plug it in, and then use your arc measures to problem solve. So hopefully that helps you. We do want you to definitely try this one on your own. There's no algebra there. You're using the angles. Remember to find the measure of all the arcs first, and then do one angle at a time. And then this one we're going to do together in class. Go ahead and try if you want to. It's a nice challenging problem. A lot of the answers are going to be more of an algebraic expression, not necessarily a value. You won't get to the value to like the very, very end. So I think that's when you get to B and C. A, and finding those angle sizes, think of it in terms of X. That might help you. All right, we'll go over this. Thank you for taking care of this. Have a good week. Good week.